last year 2025 ena ye Evangelist Mama Pat etumu. Put the bracket in the bar now the Agradaa na ba be hye. And then 3rd March 2026 ye jano. Eba ne saying reaction net saying aha ana ye de ebebro. Aha ya ADOM UNCUT on ADOM socials meaning Edison Scott and as always me ena me did me ho chia me. Afei mame ne umbon rem na ye ninkam. Now a lot of people were confused because no more kase omo de omo cameras ekoye eye Nsawam prison nanso omo anko hu Agradaa. Well, I put it to you say ahomache na yen ADOM UNCUT ne ye cameras ne nam Nsawam prison na mom no Agradaa ye release no ahomache 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. and omo release no. Yes. Eti anopa na moma sole 5:36 6:30 na mona nam Nsawam prison no. Na Agradaa ewo fie. Eno nti na nche mu amu follow closely no mu hu se eyo no ani kunu eye prophetess Yama. Enso aposti video Facebook our caption say ode Awurade ase se Awurade ede ne yere ababe ka ne nsa asudwe mu. Na video no so eho na manfo hu se nipa na Mary ne mata hina na mo hwehwe no minim ze mo hwehwe Yesu oni wo aso se Agradaa na mo hwehwe no ahomache na eno sole ye na woko ni fie se okodwale puo se oye den yo wa cleanse no. But enye ho mpo na me pese me focus on charges omo de agba Agradaa no bebre na wa bebe we nyina ye charges a chese mehunu ni ade a edoso pay na mehwemu ana me say well will she go back again? Well mense de nim na mom no o de unim ma yenra reactions in him. Why ma yenra reactions in him? So amam for dodo na bisa se ade no na yenhunu baby ana Agradaa na okofie ba ye no the next place okoye na sorry fie. But there was this video me coming across whereby time which was Monday Sunday na omu painting Agradaa actually feel. I don't know whether Agradaa she inside no. So anya sorry that because it was not in a good shape. But I come here 3 days 4 days and there was this video no omu painting actually feel and they were just painting it because they were making preparation. Na Agradaa bedu ye no amanfo bu kotodwe esu pachawa omo cha t-shirt nyina a t-shirt no omo chro always pray just abrani abrebia bom eti abrani abrebia yesa wo bom pa ye na utumi sufre unyankopon sufre unyame se amra o se yenyame ba wosu kodemu aye beyu sufre unyame eti Agradaa sufre ni nyankopon no ade 15 years no ye dey about 1 year 1 year no kura nso a okodi case no within March na yase yi no oh ye nyankopon no so nani amanfo osu ebi butu puppet no so kankan ne time Agradaa eni ni kunu eba no na Agradaa chese mama me ko ka Agradaa mama nka Evangelist Mama Pat because me ko ka Agradaa anhwe ana na Agradaa sisi ana me ka se mi na wo mpa ba reply na wo reply anyway eti Evangelist Mama Pat we gu ni veil kama ase Mary na kire se oteka nim na osu na yebo ahaye no bo eno ne tons no buttons eno obewura solifio obega kwesi mu ene yi na ne omo to praise na manfo ebukotodo na omo su na omo de Awurade ase na Evangelist Mama Pat chese ye protect no obi apeso or touching the garment of the woman because and now no Bible mu no ebra will be touching the garment of Jesus moja na 12 years so people wanted to touch the garment of Agradaa. Now what touching the garment of Evangelist Mama Pat edien and ebe free mu akọ because Jesus is telling us say obi de ne nsa kame bibi efri mi mu na wo do nsa ka Agradaa edien ebe free sika gari ana edien ebe free well eti eba ye no na Evangelist Mama Pat asolifia wa ye butu na ni fie ho no Oma media person bia enra. But our cameras were around. Time and now manfo bi ka say Agradaa omo nya sure so beba so fio na wa dress ya wa prepare no because everything was planned out. Agradaa knew where she would go first. Time on be baby obeko e de obeye because mostly no mu ye obi free prisoner yes ya ya okompo ano ko ede ekodware. Agradaa be say ye 2 to 3 a.m. But say okompo ano anasa wanko ne de I don't know. Ebi nso ana Evangelist Mama Pat enso ewo ne kwan ono nso de cleanse no. But that's not the focus. The most important thing is that these are the reactions. Amanfo a wo musu sisi and I can put it to you say Evangelist Mama Pat Abba. And the ministry your friend Heaven Way International Church. Not just on the same called international. Enti Sunday your be Thanksgiving service. Agradaa be preaching. Obeka eniyama ohu wo prison ene asem a Awurade enso eka kire no. Aha ya ADOM UNCUT on ADOM Zojias. Me Edis Scott. I know when you subscribe button also. Ede amame. Makra.